Ready for an NFL Network preseason triple header? It kicks off this Saturday with Baker Mayfield and the Browns taking on Andrew Luck's Colts. Here are the three biggest storylines you should have your eyes fixated on. Number 1. Does Baker Mayfield look dominant again without his two top targets? Mayfield torched the Redskins defense last week to the tune of 5 for 6, 77 yards, and a score.
Baker, time again to throw, this time over the middle and caught in the end zone for a touchdown.
What made his performance even more impressive was he did it without Jarvis Landry and Odell Beckham Jr. But if he's finding open receivers without them, just imagine how he'll look when he does have them. Also, pay attention to whether the Browns have Mayfield run the offense via the 2-minute drill again. Cleveland came out up-tempo as a way to get Mayfield even more comfortable in the pocket. Number 2, Cleveland's second cornerback. Who will start opposite Denzel Ward? Greedy Williams was taken in the second round, and on one hand came up with a pick against the Redskins last week.
Haskins to throw. Picked off!
But he was also involved in a communication breakdown that led to a 46-yard touchdown by the Redskins, so mixed results from the rookie. The vet trying to hold him off, Terrence Mitchell. Mitchell came up with a forced fumble against the Redskins, and he started camp as the expected starter, but Williams started getting a lot of those first-team reps as time passed. Number 3, watch to see if DAURICE Fountain has another big game.
Looking deep, and it is caught. Fountain, who brought it in over Denzel Rice.
Fountain isn't a name known by too many outside Indy, but he could work his way into the Colts passing game if he continues having games like last week. Fountain had 5 catches on 7 targets for 63 yards. The Colts drafted Paris Campbell and signed Devin Funchess as they look for a credible threat opposite T.Y. Hilton. But Fountain could be that sleeper receiver that emerges every year, especially if he factors into this week's game. Browns-Colts, Saturday, the first game of an NFL triple header, kicks off at 4 Eastern.